Hello everyone, I'm Vichara Basing. Today I'm going to explain about web designing. The most suitable tool for web designing is Dreamweaver. I'll explain how to use Dreamweaver and its functions. I'll explain from the beginning how to open a file and how to add details in Dreamweaver. Initially, this is the Dreamweaver application. Just go to File, New, select HTML as a document type and create. We can see the white color area. This is the working area. Make sure here you have code, split and design. Select the design. And another important thing in Dreamweaver is the property window. Sometimes it's available, otherwise we have to add the property window. Click window and select properties. We can see the property window at the bottom. Here we have two different sections. One is HTML, other one is CSS. HTML, there are different functions. CSS, there are different functions. I'm going to design a web page. This one. Duncan Villa Hotel Group. There are 3 links and there are certain conditions under that. The suitable images and the relevant details, it's given here. These are the pictures. The tourist, we have the file. I'm going to open the Dreamweaver again. It's easy to design the website using a table. So because of that, I'm going to insert a table. Insert table. According to my requirement, and it's a default one, is 3 columns and 3 rows. So I'm going to make sure it's 3 columns and 3 rows. Click OK. It appears as a small table. I'm going to increase the table size. According to the requirement. I'll go back to the template or the given document, this one. First the logo, then the company name. So here the logo, the first cell. These 2 cells merge together and add the company name. I'm going to merge it. Highlight cell 2 and 3 by selecting. Take the cursor to the property. Here we can see the bottom button called merge. Click that. So we can see both the cells as one particular cell. Go to the question. I'm going to select the company name, copy it, go to Dreamweaver, I'm going to paste it. So this one is small in size. So I'm going to make sure the title is large and centered. First, I'm going to select HTML, go to Format and select H1. H1 is a bigger font. Here you have H6 is a smaller font. I'm going to highlight that again. And in HTML, you don't have sent option. Go to CSS. The sent option is given. I'm going to increase the first column width. Now select the place where I want the logo. Go to insert, image. I'll select the suitable image. Right. This is the image logo. If I want to resize it, I can simply from here I can resize the image, or I can resize it from the width and the height. Again, I'm going to arrange the row size and the column size according to the image size. So this is very easy when it's in a table to align the details. That's why I add a table to design this website. Now the page title. I'm going to add the page title as London. I'll just make sure to increase the font size, not from H tags, using the font size. Select CSS. In that, we can see the font, styles, fonts, bold, italic, and the sizes. Select the font size to 24 and bold it. Go to HTML. Here we have bold and make it center. Again, go to CSS and center. So we can move HTML and CSS and we can get the function or we can get the features what we want. I'm going to add the details about London in the next cell. Go to the relevant document. I'll open this Word document. It's regarding Big Ben. I'm going to copy this and go to Dreamweaver and paste it here. So Big Ben one, again I'm going to make it like little bit increase the size. And bold it, HTML, bold, and the details is given. Here I'm going to add the picture, presenter, insert, image, the relevant, it should be the relevant picture. Here it's mentioned London. Initially, when you insert the picture, it's going to be very big, but I'm going to resize it. And reduce the area. Big Ben also I'm going to make it center. CSS. I did center align. So this is how we are going to add values to the website. I'll show you another thing, how to add background color and the text color. There are many other things we have to discuss. I'm going to do the background color and the text color for this tutorial. I'll explain continuation of this particular website in another tutorial. Click outside the table. Go to page properties. Select the background color. According to the question, it's given pale yellow and dark blue text. Background color. Pale yellow means light yellow. Select it. Text color, the drop down list. Make sure like you can see the blue color, it's visible. Click outside. Click OK. You can see the background color and the text. So I'm going to save this particular website. Go to File. Just save. I'm going to select desktop and give the website as London. And just click on save. I'm going to check whether it's there. Go to desktop. The London web page is here. Double click. We can see the website what we design. I'll explain the other details in another tutorial. Thank you.